Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphone Sony LinkBuds to your application. You have to start by opening Headphones application, click Next, now click on Register through Bluetooth settings, choose the second option, and now open the case and press and hold this pairing button until these LED lights start to flashing blue. If you can't doing it, just close the case and open again. Press and hold the pairing button. And here we go. Then click Next. Next. Click on LinkBuds. And wait. Close. OK. Later. Procedure without restoring. Next. Later. Next. Later. Yes, I wanna skip it. Go to dashboard. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!